If your TouchTour is stuck on the loading screen, or you're seeing an older version of the software, these issues are most likely to occur when the TouchTour is not connected to the internet. Most TouchTours will indicate if there's no internet connection by this Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of the screen. Some older versions of TouchTour may not have this icon, so if you don't see it, there could still be internet issues. To troubleshoot, first locate your keyboard. It's a small wireless keyboard that has a trackpad on the right. There are a few styles, so your keyboard will look something like this. Most of them have a Logitech logo. These keyboards are wireless and can easily be misplaced. If you can't find it, always check behind the screen and in any leasing desk drawers. If your team can't locate the keyboard, please contact support and let us know. Next, we'll want to close out the TouchTour software. We can do this with the keyboard by pressing Ctrl-T to open our Tools menu. Then, use the trackpad to navigate to Quit TouchTour. This will close out the software and bring us to our desktop. Now that you're on the desktop screen, click the Test Internet icon to check your connection. You should see the browser open with a text that says, "Great news, your internet is functioning." If you see anything other than the great news text, we'll need to troubleshoot your internet connection. However, if the test internet shows you're connected and you're still having issues launching your TouchTour, please reach out to support. To troubleshoot, use the keyboard to pull up the taskbar. Do this by bringing the cursor to the bottom of the screen or by pressing the Windows button on your keyboard. Use your cursor to navigate to the bottom right side of the screen. Depending on your operating system, you may need to click the caret next to the date and time. From here, we can see how we're connected to the internet. There are two ways your touchscreen can be connected to the internet. One is a direct connection through an Ethernet cable. The icon will look like this and show the named network that you're connected to. If you're seeing this icon and your internet connection is still not working, please reach out to your internal IT department. For a Wi-Fi connection, the internet icon will look like this. We'll want to confirm that we're connected to the correct network. Please note, most leasing offices have both a public and a private network, and this internet connection may be different than your other leasing devices. For the best results, please connect to a password-protected network. After we've confirmed our internet connection, let's go ahead and click the Test Internet icon again. When you see the great news, your internet is functioning text, go ahead and relaunch your TouchTour software by clicking the TouchTour icon on your desktop. After these steps, if we're still having issues launching TouchTour, please contact support.